Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a video that you created, or I guess any video, into a Google Slides presentation. So subscribe, like, and check it out. All right, so in the previous video, I showed you how to create a Google Slide presentation. You should have an additional 10 slides made. Remember, you added the one down at the bottom, one cool thing that you learned. So you're going to have those total 11 slides. And then what you did was I showed you how to use Screencastify to record yourself presenting it. Now, if everything went well, it'll show up in your Google Drive. So if you go to drive.google.com and you look in your Screencastify folder, you will see your video created. So if I open this up, here's my video, and it'll play. Now, if it says it's processing, you need to come back to this video later, okay? If it's processing, there's not much we can do right now. If you want to change your view, you can click right here, and that'll give you a nice little preview. And actually, that is what I would prefer you to have. So as long as yours has a preview, we're good. Now, if yours did not show up here, that doesn't mean that it didn't save. What you can do is you can click on Screencastify, wait a second, and then click on this little icon for My Recordings. It'll open up this, and this will show you all the videos that you've created, and I'm imagining yours will show up. So either way, that's how you access it, okay? So I'll show you both ways. And there's actually a third way, but most of my students aren't able to do it because of things being blocked. But you're going to open up your blog template. For those of you not in my class, I will provide the link below to my blog template. And you're going to go to How Do 3D Printers Work? Now, if you've already worked on the blog template, you're not in my class, just open up your file. You're going to go to the How Do 3D Printers Work, and you'll see it says Screencast. So you should have a description of what your video is about and a link to it. So you're going to say something like, Mr. Duda taught me about 3D printers. I created a presentation and presented it myself. So you should have something written there. And then you're going to insert your video. In a perfect world, if things weren't blocked, you would be able to click Insert Video, and then you will be able to go to your Google Drive and choose it. It'll just show up. So I just click on it twice. Now I can resize it. And if someone came to this slide, which I'll show you eventually how to share this with the whole world, they could click on that and it would actually play within the presentation. So it works really, really, really well. The problem is, since it's blocked, we have to do a roundabout way. So this is what my students have to do. Let me get rid of this. I hope I can. Okay. To get rid of something, you just click on it and hit delete. So those of you that did not work, if that worked, you're done. You can close this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and wash those hands for 20 seconds. Then you can close the video. Maybe wash your hands afterwards. All right. So go to your Screencastify folder. What I want you to do is I want you to take a screenshot. Now to take a screenshot, you press Control Shift and then the screen switch button. I will insert a picture now. So hopefully that showed you how you'd be able to do that. If you're on Windows, you're going to press the Windows button, the Shift button, and S as in Sam or Sierra. Windows Shift S. And if you're on a Chromebook, the same thing will happen. The screen will turn gray. You're going to want to draw a box over. What we're doing is we're just getting a nice little picture of it. Now, if you're on a Chromebook and something popped up, click Copy to Clipboard. Otherwise, it's going to save as a screenshot. To insert it, you're going to go to your slide. You're going to press Control V as in Victor, or you click with 2 fingers or your right mouse button, and you'll get Paste. Now, don't click in the box. I shouldn't have done that. Click Paste, and you'll get your picture. Now, it's not the highest quality picture, but it'll work. Now we need to add a link to it. So I'm going to go through this way first, and then I'll show you if it didn't save here how to do it. So what you do is you are going to right click. So that's 2 fingers on a Chromebook or right click on a mouse. You're going to click share. Don't click get shareable link. That tends to mess things up. Click share and then click get shareable link. And then what I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you can share it with as many people as possible. If you're in a school district, if you're a student and you're in your student account, you may not be able to choose anyone with the link, but just choose the one that really, really allows the most possible. Okay, then you're going to hit save. Then you're going to click copy link. Now we go back to our presentation. Make sure you click copy link. Make sure your picture is highlighted. It's selected. And then you're going to click this little chain. This is a chain. And the parts of a chain are called links. And what you're doing is you're inserting a link. Okay. So you're going to make it so when someone clicks on this picture that it brings them to your video. So you're going to have this selected, click insert link, and then we're going to paste Control V as in Victor. Okay. Or right click, 2 fingers, and choose paste, and then say apply. You know that it worked when you see this pop up below it. Now, it might not pop up below it. Click off of it, click on it again, and it'll show up. Double check your link by clicking on it, and you'll see there's your video. And it plays, and it works, and it's awesome, and it's good. Now, if that worked for you, you're all done. Click like, click subscribe, and go wash your hands. If that did not work for you, this is the last option. So I'm going to delete this. You go over here. You're going to do a screenshot of this, and maybe if we click on this, it'll get bigger. Yeah, awesome. So here, now what I want you to do is take a screenshot here. So press those buttons. It's either Windows Shift and S as in Sam, or the Chromebook buttons. All right, so we're going to press that. The screen turns gray. You're going to highlight the section that you want to copy. I would like to copy this whole section. Let go. If a little pop-up comes up, click copy to clipboard. If it didn't, not a big deal. And actually, if it didn't work for you before, I'm going to show you how it works. So even if you grabbed it from Screencastify, I'm going to show you how to do it now. So then what we do is we are going to paste just like before. So we click paste, or Control V as in Victor, resize it. We go back to here. We are going to click share. Yeah. Interesting. So what I'd like you to do, actually, the best way to do it, actually copy shareable link. All right. So now it's been copied. Go back, make sure your picture is selected, insert link, paste it, Control V, or right click and press apply. And now you will see that it links to that page. And it should work. Now that's interesting. Yours hopefully will show up the same way. This actually linked to my Google Drive. So hopefully it works for you. If not, please comment below and I'll help you out. Those of you that could not get your picture to show up, I totally forgot that in the video section right before. You're going to click insert image, upload from computer. When you do that, a window is going to pop up. You're going to choose recent from the left-hand side, and then you're going to choose the most recent screenshot, and that'll work. All right. And then go back and see how to insert those links. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully you learned something. Please like and subscribe. Make sure to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, and have a great day, everybody.